Here's a wee short stretch to work out and release our shoulders. So we're going to start either kneeling or sitting any way that's comfortable to you. We'll bring hands to head and we're going to reach elbows high, back and all the way down. The hands can then release from the head as the elbows squeeze as tight as they can. Then lifting elbows back up, hands to head, bring elbows forward and into chest. Slightly weighing your head down with the weight of your hands. Inhale, take elbows up and back. Exhale, pull them into your sides. Inhale, take elbows up and forwards. Exhale, pull them into your chest. Once more. Now coming on to hands and knees. Thread the needle. We're going to reach your left arm up to the sky. Reach for the sky as you push strongly into that right hand. Get as much space in your chest as you can. Take a big breath in. Breathing out, thread the needle. Left arm underneath the right arm and try to lie on your left shoulder. Seeing if you can make this right arm really heavy to the floor, kind of like you were sleeping in your bed. A few deep breaths here. Now giving yourself a push back up. We're then going to lie on your stomach. Reach left arm straight out to the side. Right palm is flat to the mat and you push into the right palm until you roll onto your left side. You can place the right leg behind you for some support. Breathe in 2 deep breaths right down to the bottom of your ribs. And gently coming out, lifting back up to hands and knees, and we'll do that to the other side. Now we're reaching right arm to the sky. Really stretch for the sky and push into that left hand with a lot of effort. A nice wide chest. Breathing in. As you breathe out, right arm underneath the left arm. Lying on that shoulder and seeing if you can make left arm heavy. Breathing really deep to the bottom of your lungs. And starting to give yourself a big push out. Now lying on your stomach. Right arm out wide, straight, left palm to the mat. Push yourself onto your right side. Lie your head heavy, and you might place left foot behind you, or just keep it lying straight. And gently rolling back out, pushing up to hands and knees, and we'll move through some cat-cow now. So lifting tail up, lifting head up, and you're going to let your jaw hang open. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, rounding the back. Tucking your tail, tucking your chin. See if you can let your head be really heavy as you push your chest up to the sky. Inhale, lift tail, lift head, heavy jaw. Exhale, tuck tail, hang head, and really wide shoulder blades. Just one more. Breathing in, breathing out. Now come into a Z-sit, come to sit on your bum. with both legs to your left. And kind of make a little triangle. Right foot touches left thigh. We're going to take left hand to left shin, right hand to the sky, reach to the left with that hand, but slightly twist your chest and head towards the sky. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, reach right hand down towards left leg and let your chin, your head hang. Inhale, reach for the sky. Look at the sky. Exhale, let your head hang and your arm hang. Last one. And now taking arms nice and wide, we'll place your right hand to the mat, elbow to the mat, but left hip's pushing down to the ground. Reach left arm overhead and look for the sky, breathing in. As you breathe out, left arm to the ground. We'll do that 2 more times. When you're next ready to breathe in, just bringing self back to centre and switching legs to other side. So now we've got right hand to right shin, left arm to sky, left arm reaches right, but chest twists to sky. Breathing in here. Breathing out, chest twists towards the ground, towards that right leg. Arm is heavy. Inhale, we lift up, we twist to sky. Exhale, we twist towards right leg, towards floor. Just one more. Breathing in. And breathing out. On your next breath in, arms nice and wide. As you breathe out, left hand to floor, elbow to floor, and as right arm reaches overhead, slightly twist, face and chest to sky, breathing in. Breathing out, twist to the floor. 2 more, breathing in. And out. Take your next breath in, bringing yourself up. And as you breathe out, we'll come onto our hands and our knees. From here, we're going to lift ourselves up, hips above knees. Straightening your arms in front of you and just placing right arm on top of left. Either bending elbows to touch your shoulders, that's the easier option, or placing the backs of your hands together for eagle arms. We're going to push shoulders down while elbows lift up, no matter how your hands are positioned. And we're going to breathe here. Shoulders down, elbows up. And releasing there. Now stepping right foot forward, knee above ankle. Clasping hands behind your back, so this is kind of level 1. Lean chest down and lift arms high, or elbows high. Option 2, lift back knee up and plant back foot flat. There's a bend in the front leg, and the same thing, hands behind you, lean down with head as arms reach up. 2 breaths. Now just keeping the leg position wherever you are, we're going to bring left hand to the mat and reach right arm to the sky. Really stretch right arm behind you slightly. And now reach right arm for the floor. Just let it hang heavy and let your head hang heavy. One big breath. Good, and now we step ourselves back to our knees, hips above the knees. Good. So now straightening both arms in front. This time left elbow on the top, and bend the elbows to either hold shoulders or backs of arms together. Wherever you are, shoulders down, elbows up. And the longest breaths out you can take. The more you breathe out, the more space we'll get in the shoulder blades. And then releasing the arms. Stepping left foot forward, either knee above ankle. Easier option, interlace behind you the funny way. So other thumb on the top, other pinky on the bottom. Lean down and try and lift your arms a wee bit higher. And then your other option, lift the back knee, plant the back foot flat, and then lean down. Reaching arms as far away from you as you can. 2 big breaths. Really allow your head to hang, let the neck relax if you can. And now we're all going to bring right hand to the floor, left hand to the sky. Just keeping the legs as they were before. 1 big breath. Just really try to stretch left arm behind you. And now let left arm hang on the inside of your leg. Just let it drape and your head to fall. Good, and now we step back to our hands and our knees. Hands under shoulders. We're going to rotate your left fingertips out to the left, away from you, then all the way around until they face your left knee. I have my hand quite close to the knee. And then you lean back ever so slightly. 1 deep breath. Switching sides. Right hand rotates out to the right, away from you, all the way around until the fingers face the knee. Hand is closer to the knee, and lean back if you can. Breathe a deep breath to the bottom of your ribs. And now we're going to sit on your heels, your knees are nice and wide. Bring your chest close to the floor. Arms are straight. And if you can, bring palms together and place the hands behind your head. If you can't do this, just keep hands straight, flat to the floor. We've got 1 deep breath. And now seeing if your hands can hold onto your heels and your forehead can rest on the mat. We'll take 3 big breaths to the very bottom of our ribs. Starting to bring your hands back onto the mat, rising up and finding a comfortable seat to take a really big breath right to the bottom of the ribs where they start to go around your sides. And a big breath out. And that is us. I hope you enjoyed this wee shoulder stretch. Thank you so much for joining me.